Here's our first real-life look at the Galaxy S26 FE, featuring a flat body frame and a protruding rear camera module. Early renders based on those case molds are now giving us a fairly decent look at the device from different angles. The Galaxy S26 FE looks very similar to the regular Galaxy S26 that launched earlier this year. The model number SMS741 has appeared on Geekbench. The listing indicates a DecaCore processor configuration with clock speeds reaching up to 3.30 GHz. The source code also points towards the presence of the Xclipse 950 GPU, suggesting that the phone could be powered by Samsung's Exynos 2500 chipset. The benchmark entry further reveals that the device is running Android 17 and is paired with around 8 GB of RAM. In terms of scores, it has recorded a single-core result of 2,426 and a multi-core score of 8,004. The S25 FE slimmed down to 190 GMS, kept the 6.7-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and paired it with a 4,900 mAh battery and long-term software support. Features a triple rear camera system consisting of a 50MP main lens, a 12MP ultra-wide lens, and an 8MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. The S26 FE launch in Q3 2026. The Galaxy S26 FE to retail around $650. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.